now let me break it down for the guys first. We're going to do our open break, lead her into a simple right turn, and keep doing the open breaks the whole time. And you're going to go under her arm, bring it up and down. And when you bring it down, it's going to signal to her to go into the free spin. Gently place your left hand on the back of her hip to stop the turn. And then you're going to tap the hip again to start another free spin. And from here, we can just go back into closed position into another crossbody lead. One more time from a different angle, crossbody lead. Guys, keep doing your open breaks. Signal for a basic right turn. You're gonna go underneath the hand, bring the hand up and down, and you're gonna be briefly next to her. Whip the hand around to spin her. Then you're gonna tap the hip to stop the turn. Tap the hip again to give her another free spin. And then you're gonna recover for the crossbody lead. Okay, so now let me break it down for the ladies, starting with our basic. Go into our crossbody lead into open break. But ladies, I really want you to open up. See how Alice is bringing her left arm out, extending. She's turning her head back so she can see my hand. When I signal her the turn, I go under the arm, and when I bring it down for 2, she's going to extend her left arm and bring it back in. Bring her left arm up so that it's out of the way. And then she's going to bring her left arm down as her right arm comes up and down again as she runs it through her hair. And then the left arm comes back up so it's out of the way. Once again, you see the left arm coming down and the right arm coming up, and it's getting ready to comb her hair. You see it right there? It's doing the hair comb. Okay? And then the left arm comes up as I bring in my right hand to recover her for the crossbody lead. Alright, so now to show you the whole thing with the count, I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.